In today's video, we are going to show you how to deposit money into your Deriv account quickly and safely. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Once inside the dashboard, if this is your first time here in Deriv, you will see a notification window that Deriv is asking you to make your first deposit. I want you to click that red button, and what will happen is you will be forwarded here. All I have to do is simple. Deriv offers multiple deposit options such as online banking, credit or debit cards, e-wallets, and of course cryptocurrencies. Now choose the method that works best for you. For example, we are choosing card, and then all I have to do is click the credit and debit cards. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Make sure to check the minimum deposit requirement for your chosen method, which is going to be the bank. And then follow the on-screen instructions to proceed and click the deposit now. After this, you may be redirected to a secure payment page and fill in your payment details and confirm the transactions. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation message. Your funds should reflect in your Deriv account instantly or within a few minutes depending on the method used. And basically that's it for today's video on how to deposit money into your Deriv account. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.